Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always know whenever I upload. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today, by the title of this video and all this hair, you guys know what we're about to get into, right? Some hair, of course, obvious. I'm going to show you guys this Amazon ponytail hair that I purchased. So I'm going to slay it for you guys with all this hair and hope it comes out good. So give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments down below how you guys think I'm going to do. If you guys think it's possible for me to slay this ponytail with all this hair, drop it down below. Let me know. Like give me a little motivation. Okay, so this is the ponytail. This is what it comes in, and if I can find a link to it, I'll definitely link it in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So yeah, basically it comes in this bag. On the back, name of the company.
Thank you so much for your purchase. Problems, concerns, questions, contact us directly.
It's a 24 inch, yeah, and yeah, something is plastic. Alrighty, this is what it looks like though. Now I know y'all are wondering, this is black. My hair has some color thing going on. But what I'm going to do is try my best to bring this to a point where when I attach the ponytail, all of the ends are covered. All right. So there's this hook clip here, like the clips you would get in your wig. I don't know if you guys can see properly. Hold on. So there's that, and then there's this piece here that you're going to wrap around, and this entire piece here has the little tape thingy. So I guess when you wrap the hair around, it's going to be it's going to hook in the tape or whatever, or this piece is going to come back into the tape. Oh no, hold on. Oh, this piece is going to go into the tape, right? So there's an opposite piece. So there's a piece on the opposite side here that when you wrap it around, it's gonna hook into that tape. So it's gonna tape and be very secure, especially with this clip that's gonna be, you know, in the bun. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So my hair is washed and blown out. So this is it in its natural state. No products or anything is in there, and I'm just going to brush it out. As I said, I just blow dried it. So yeah, just brush. So now y'all see what I'm talking about. Everything else is black and the color is right here. So the color on the ends won't be a problem because I'm gonna tuck that away and voila. The finish catch up, but just something to do for now to kind of measure the ponytail and see if it's exactly where I want it to be. So we're going to measure now. All right, so the ponytail is going to fall here with a smaller bun, of course, and then bring that there. Looks about right. Alright, so that's perfect. Okay. Alright, so now that we have our hair in the position that we want it, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, do my edges and gel it and all of that. Okay, so what I normally do is just part out the area that I'm going to use for my edges. this area parted out for my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead now and gel the rest of the hair into place and then do my edges last. Right, now it's time for this. And I just put a little in my hand like this and just rub it together and start applying it. I'm gonna go with my brush. To remove the elastic band and then catch it up again. So the same elastic band, but this time I'm going to catch it tighter and it's going to be a lot neater. So I doubled the elastic and I wrapped it 3 times. So this is what we have now, is what we're working with. So yeah, now that that's neat, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges with the same gel. And I do this in sections so I don't just do everything because I don't want it to dry up. And if you guys want a more detailed video on how I do my edges, drop it down in the comments and I'll definitely do a video on that. Okay, so now that my edges are finished, I'm gonna tie them down. Tied down, I'm going to just put this part into a bun, a small bun, as small as I possibly can. We have this. We're just gonna wrap it around very tight into a nice bun and put a hair band or a scrunchie or something, or even an elastic band over it to kind of keep it there. You can also use hairpins if you want, whichever. Okay, so now that's done, it's time for a ponytail. I'm just gonna hook this clip part into the bun. Hook, that's in, nice. And once you hook the clip into the bone, into the hair, you're just gonna wrap. You're just gonna wrap this part around. And with the last piece, the last wrap, you can just tuck it into all of that, or you can use a hairpin. I decided to just tuck it in. And this feels pretty secure, I must say. So yeah. This ponytail is synthetic, by the way. So yeah, that's just something to bear in mind. It's not human. But it's cute. Alright, so it's a little on the thin side. So what you can do is just, you know, kind of fluff it out a little, kind of pull the curls apart. That's only if you like big hair like me. I like big hair. So I'm gonna just pull all these curls apart to kind of fluff it up a little bit more. And yeah, this is more like it. Nice. So yeah. So yeah, this is it, guys. I love it. It came out really good, I must say.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end? Before we've even begun, should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one, diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, hit that subscribe button, guys, hit the notification bell as well, so you'll always know whenever I upload, so you'll never miss an upload. Okay, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video and this ponytail. I personally love it. I love the way it came out. It's very nice. So yeah, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Also, the link to this ponytail will be in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hold my breath, looking up, life moves in ways that keeps changing.